Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to talk about something that I rarely talk about, and that is about my earnings as a Udemy instructor. Now many people have been asking me, how much do you earn as a Udemy instructor? And I've been trying to explain to them, but I've never showed them maybe the revenue or how my courses sell. So in this video I'm going to show you how my courses sell. But I'm going to go to the April report. So that is how my courses sold in April. Okay. Now before that, let me explain something here. The total you earn on Udemy by selling your courses, or if you have some skill where you can teach, you can create a course and then after that you can sell it on Udemy. So the revenue that you're going to earn is going to depend on how the number of courses, of course, how your courses did on a specific month. So for example, how much you sold or how many students subscribed to your courses. So those are the determinants of the amount you're going to earn. So let's just dive right in. And here you can see I'm logged into my Udemy account. This is instructor's account, and you can see this is the revenue report for the month of April. If I over here, you can see my profile right there, and I'm just going to go straight. I'm not going to show this part, but basically is just the statistics of how my courses did in April. So I'll just scroll down to this section, okay, the details section, and I'll just go through with you and show you how my courses sold in April. So here we have the date and then the name of the person who bought the course. Then you have the course, and then we have the coupon code, and then the channel of advertisement. So the channel of the advertisement, you have affiliates, we have Udemy organic and your own promotion, and also ad program. And then after that you have the price paid. So that is the price that person paid when purchasing that course, and then your revenue. So this price paid, you can see it is not constant. And first, the reason is it depends on the promotion. So you can see your course may be costing like $50 per course, $50 per subscription, but then Udemy can run a program that will do a promotion maybe at $11, as you can see here. So if somebody buys during that promotion, this is the amount that cost, the amount they are going to pay. So this is the price here. You can see. Let's start from 28th. So on 28th, I had 2 sales, and the courses that I sold was Build a News Portal with Laravel and Bootstrap 2021, and Laravel Forum, Build a Forum with Laravel 2021. So I had 2 sales, and then on 27th, I had 2 courses, 2 sales. Yeah, I had 2 sales, and that is the same 2 courses. On 26th, I had 1 sale here. On 24th, I had 1 sale too. On 23rd, 1 sale. 22nd, 1 sale. Not 1 sale. 22nd, I had 4 sales. 4 sales. We have just the same 2 courses. And I tell you what, these courses are selling more than others. And 21st, I had, let me move to the next page. So on 21st, I had 1, 2, 3. So I'm on page 2, but we had 21 on the other page. So that's why I'm starting from 2, 3. So I had 3 sales. And then on 20th of April, I had 1, 2, 3 sales, and they are some courses. On 19th, I had 1 2 3 4 5 6. I had 6 cells and the same 2 courses. And then 18th I had 1. Let me move to the next page. 2 3 4. So I had 4 cells on 18th of April. And then on 17th I had 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3, I mean 3 cells. On 16th I had 1 cell, on 14th 1 cell, 13th 1 cell, and 11th 1 cell. 9th 1 cell, 8th 1 cell. Then finally move to the 4th page. I had 8th 2 cells, 7th 2 cells, and on 6th I had 1 cell. So basically that is how my courses performed in the months of April. But then I know you've been looking at the price, right? But as I told you that this revenue here will not be the final. So for example, if that promotion was mine, Udemy will take 3% of the sales, and then I'll take 97 point something percent. Okay, so also if that it was sold through affiliate, affiliate will get something, and also if it is Udemy organic, they'll get something, and you also get something from it. So basically that is how my courses sold in April, and I think that answers one of your questions, the question that you've been asking, how my courses perform on Udemy, or how much I sell on Udemy. And so I think that brings enlightenment that it doesn't matter whether you're African or you are white, black, or yellow. It doesn't matter, as long as you have the skill and you can teach, and you can precisely teach, then you can teach on Udemy. It doesn't matter. You'll get many people enrolling to your courses and paying for them. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how my courses performed in the last month, and that is May. So you want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that every time I post a video you get notification. So thank you so much, and let's meet then.